Right now it's 1-1. When we played them in that crucial game in the second round, I knew that if we would have won that game, we would have been twice the beat. We would have had the advantage. But they won, so they had the advantage. So I put on the board 0-1. And we had the game against AAP, which we won. And I knew that we cannot rely on other teams to make the job for us. So, it's 1-1. Now, it's a time for adjustment, and I hope that we can neutralize the return of Jimbo Aquino, which is a big part of our win today. I think our zone would have not worked that well if Jimbo would have played, but I gambled on the zone. Since the refs were calling fouls all over. I just don't know how they could call very slight fouls on us, and then the contact was very much evident on the other end. But, it's a judgment call, and I respect the commissionership of Coach Arik. He's been a long-time mentor, and I've worked with him for 7 years. I just hope that he stays on the referees that will make the right calls come Monday, because kailangan talaga yung referees will be the ones na talagang kayang tumawag against the odds. And what I'm talking about.
It's NJ, probably this is his best offensive game.
NJ is our very outspoken leader. He binds the team together. He can get on the rookies, he can get on the veterans, because they know that he works hard on both ends. And that three-point shot of his really was, not his game, but he was wide open, he took it, and he got to take it, and luckily it was God's gift that we won, and live to fight another day. And I'm just very thankful that we would have had a chance to beat San Sebastian, the team we haven't beaten this year, and we had the chance, and hopefully we can tie it up with them 2-2 come Monday.
Coach, going into the season, medyo mataas na expectations.
Yun nga. So,
playing an elimination game and surviving, anong thoughts?
Well, we're very good when the spotlight is not on us. So that's the character of my team. I think pag nandun na yung spotlight sa amin, we tend to relax or rest on our laurels that we're on top there. But things get better, and teams just play harder against us. And I welcome the return of Joe. He's still not 100%, but I think his heart is 100%. But physically, he's just compensating. He's playing hurt.
1-1. So 1-1.
1-1. It's a best of 3, 1-1. So it's gonna be war on Monday. So yun nga, sana we get the fair shake of the refs. Yung pipita yung mga veterano that will be ready to officiate such a beautiful game. So sana hindi nila ma-destroy yung ganda ng goal.
Coach, rewind ako na doon. Yung naging 1-1 dahil yung panalo nila sa elimination.
Yung panalo nila sa second round. If we would have beaten them doon sa second round, na-sweep namin second round, we would have ended up number 1 or number 2, twice to beat. So, hindi nangyari yun. So, sabi ko, 0-1 pa lang, meron pa tayong chance. Kung ito yung Beda or Baste, we have to beat them twice.
Coach, yung kay MJ, plus 3 points yung ata ito, no?
Oh, siguro in this
Kasi
season.
ikaw rin, no?
This season. I think he hit one last year.
Pero this year,
This season, I'm sure, first. Dahil hindi ko inaalaw mag 3 points eh. Kasi mas magaling siyang luba. And then, maraming 3-point shooter. But, he was wide open. He gave him that shot. And,